All right, so this is a process called tip tying, and what we do is we get a rope out on the outer limbs, and Lauren, go ahead and give it a little pull. So we test it and see how good it's going to be. Looks good. All right, so this is a process called tip tying, and what we do is we get a rope out on the outer limbs, and Lauren, go ahead and give it a little pull. So we test it and see how good it's going to be. Looks good. You can let up. So what I'll do is I'm going to come down and make a face cut so they can pull it over. All right. Face cut's made. I'll get in position, preferably out of the way. Now, there's the garage underneath this, and you might be able to see the beehives down there that Lauren and Javon want me to hit. Right? No? They said no. Alright, give it a pull, guys. I'm down the pole. Just like that. So that's how tip tying is done. I'd see if he can come over there and pull the cut in. Just put it right up there on the concrete.
Yeah. Come over here.
Javon's new, and we're trying to work out some kinks and teach him.
Bring it over here.
So I've tied a running bowline in here. Once again, get this all cleared up. Go ahead and give me a little pull, guys. Just doing a test pull, and everything's looking good. So release. I'm going to take and break some of these dead ones off so they don't fall on the neighbor's garage. All right. That's going to be a little bit bigger piece, guys, just so you're aware. Alright, we want it there. It's not going to be huge, but it's going to be a little bigger. Just like that. Easy on, you can get up there, grab it. But be careful, watch your ankles. Now the wind's on it. Yeah, the wind's blowing it. But it'll swing back though. Once again, doing the running bow line, and I'm telling Lauren in the headset that it's going to be a bigger piece, so you guys are going to have to pull good and hard. He heard me? How? Oh, well, I'm trying to get to that, and put a ½ inch in there, make it good and strong. And took this guy away. Well, try to tuck the tail away so it doesn't catch in the saw. It makes a mess of the saw and messes up an expensive rope. Right there. Okay, get them full. No, I did not know. Get them out of the way. Drop. Just like that. Oh well. Speed today. Speed and safety, I should say. Speed and safety. Safety and speed. There we go. There's Mr. Taylor chilling out. Hi, Taylor. Good. I gotta go work the top. Well, pull my slack out. No, I'm not talking. I pulled my own slack out. What's that? Yeah. He won't be happy with that come summer. Oh, okay. All right. Give me a pull. Caught you guys snoozing, didn't I? Uh-huh. All right. I got an idea where I want to be. Now you pull. Wind might mess with you. Alright, get ready. When it comes back your way, I'll tell you. Drop. Just like that.
Bye.
See ya.